In this video today, we're going to be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful triangular Bubu blouse, and this is so simple, so simple to make. Okay, once you have about 1 yard of material, you're going to be able to do this. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch till the end. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thank you. So to do this, you're going to measure out your fabric. What I'm working with is just 1 yard of material, right? And you can do this with actually 1 yard of material. Okay, so I'm just trying to measure it out. So once you are sure that you have 1 yard, if you want to use more than 1 yard, it depends on you. You can see how the 1 yard comes out, so that you can also decide to do something bigger if you want to. So I'm just trying to measure out the length of the fabric I have. You can see that it's not even up to 60 inches, and it's a bit less than 1 yard. All right, so I folded into two, then I folded again into another two. Please, I'll do this again so you can see. So I have this on fold, and then I folded again like this, as if you want to cut a 360 peplon. Just you can see the triangular look. This is folded into two, then into another two. All right, so please, on this side that has one fold and two openings, okay, you can actually leave that to be the sides. All right, then this side that is totally folded, it will not be your front and back. So I went ahead and measured 6 to be my neck width. All right, it will be the area around my neck. Okay, how wide the neck will look. So I came down by 3 inches. This is because I'm cutting the front neck and the back neck together. Okay, so this point where I marked 6 inches, I'll connect it on with a slope. Okay, you can see the points that I'm connecting to be my neck area. Okay, so I'll just connect it with a slight slope. It's not that straight. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and measure my shoulder. Okay, I'm going to measure my shoulder on this side that I'm pointing out now. I'll come down by 9.5 inches for my shoulder, and after my shoulder, okay, or you can actually use 10 inches. So after this shoulder, now this will be where my sleeve will come out from. That's where my hands will come out from. Okay, because so once you mark your 10 inches or as much as you want, you can actually use 9 inches or 9.5, and then the rest will be where your hand will come out from. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this out, but before then I will go ahead and measure out the half length of this particular blouse. Okay, because it's going to be stitched up, but let me cut it out first. So this is it. I'm trying to cut out the neck area so that I have it both open. Don't forget that I notched that point where I'll be where I marked as my shoulder. Okay, so please kindly go ahead and notch yours. Now this is how the top looks. Okay, it just looks like a complete triangular or a kite. That's how the blouse looks when you cut it. Okay, it looks like a kite. Now you can see how it looks. So let me quickly explain this. So these points that I notched, okay, I'm going to be stitching it up to this point that I'm touching now. This other end will be open. Okay, so I will stitch up to these points, okay, that I notched, and then the lower ends will be open. Okay, now I'm going to quickly fold in as well. I'm going to fold in all the corners of this blouse. All right, for it to be easy for you, just fold it in. Okay, and then around the neck, pipe it. If you want to use a bias, you can go ahead and use a bias. So this is mine. I've already piped mine. I piped the neck area, and then I folded in the sides of my blouse. This will make it easier for you whenever once you finish piping everything, you just know that all you do is joining, and you can imagine that this blouse is so easy. Please, if you have not liked this video, please kindly go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Thank you so much. All right, so I have already quickly folded in the sides of my blouse. All right, so once you fold in yours, fold yours back if you have not marked your waist area. Now let me explain this again. From this point I'll be marking 9.5 or 10 inches. Okay, that will be for my shoulder. From this other end I marked now will be for my sleeve. All right, after my sleeve, okay, after my sleeve I'm going to be stitching up this side from here all the way to where my waist will be, where I marked as my waist area. Okay, please, if you don't know how to mark the waist area, let me do that before you right now. So my half length is around 17 inches. So from that point where I marked 17 inches, I will take my round waist. So this is about 12 inches plus. You can add your sewing allowance, but it's not necessary at this point because you're just going to be stitching on the material. You still have excesses. So at that 12 inches, that was where I marked. All right, so what I'll just do, I'll join to this point and then leave this side open. Okay, I'll leave this side open, then I will now go ahead and join the lower end to that point that I marked. So you can see the triangular shape is still here at the lower end. Okay, so I have done that now, and this is how the blouse looks. And when you stitch it up perfectly, you can see that the blouse comes out very nice, very easy to do. Okay, and let me show you where my hand will come out from. So this is where my hand will come out from on each side. All right, so this is pretty all. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.